Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products for every season. Today, we're talking about the best fall flower picks, the JINGHONG artificial fall flowers. These vibrant, 12-pack floral picks bring the warmth and beauty of autumn right into your home, making them perfect for all your fall decorating needs. Each stem in this set is 17 inches tall and features a beautiful blend of forsythia flowers, colorful daisies, and green twigs, creating a lush, lifelike appearance. The addition of berries adds an extra touch of fall charm, making them ideal for creating a cozy, autumn atmosphere. Whether you're looking to add some festive spirit to your living room, dining table, windowsill, or even your porch, these artificial flowers are the perfect fit. The beauty of these floral picks lies in their versatility. With 12 stems included, you can easily separate them and decorate various spots throughout your home, or use them in a larger arrangement or centerpiece. The colors are rich and vibrant, capturing the essence of autumn, from the deep oranges to the subtle yellows, making them a great choice for both indoor and outdoor decorations. Another fantastic feature is the ease with which you can shape these picks. The stems are bendable, allowing you to adjust them to suit your specific needs. Whether you're looking to create a whimsical display or a more structured arrangement, these flowers can bend to your will without losing their form. These high-quality materials are handmade by professionals, ensuring that the flowers are securely attached to the stems. You won't have to worry about petals falling off or wilting, and because they're artificial, they require no maintenance at all. Just arrange them and enjoy their beauty throughout the fall season and beyond. If you're looking to bring some vibrant autumn charm to your space, the JINGHONG artificial fall flowers are a great choice. They are easy to use, long-lasting, and incredibly versatile, making them an ideal option for anyone who loves decorating for the fall season. Whether for a festive table centerpiece, a cozy living room, or any autumn-themed event, these floral picks will give you the perfect touch of seasonal beauty. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products for every occasion.